Interested in a management career that spans airlines, airports and ground operations? Want to learn about the aerospace industry and aviation sector? You have come to the right place. UPES offers BBA in Aviation Operations and MBA Aviation Management, which amalgamates management and aviation industry. India's civil aviation industry is growing fast and will be the world's third largest by 2024. But due to lack of awareness, there is a shortage of expert professionals in the aviation industry. Also, there are only a few colleges that offer aviation management courses. UPES offers BBA in Aviation Operations and MBA Aviation Management, which amalgamates management and aviation industry to make you an industry-ready management professional, supported by state-of-the-art campus and experienced faculty. We are the preferred choice of recruiters. Some of the prominent recruiters include Air Vistara, DHH, Indigo and many more. We also expose our students to internships, industry visits, guest lectures, entrepreneurship programs, career services, interview preparation and personality enhancement program to give them an extra edge over their peers.